We all have problems with internet on Windows at some point in our lives. And it's so frustrating when you have all these crazy things you have to do and you have to follow. And even if you ask AI to try and help you, it literally gives you these things you have to do to go into the registry and all these crazy things. That's where this useful app comes along. It's called NetFix, and it fixes your internet in 5 simple clicks. All you do is click on Attempt Next Fix. You just click on that button, and then it successfully does things that otherwise you would have to do yourself, which would take you a long time. For example, in the first fix, it flushes your DNS cache. This is known to fix many internet problems. When you click Attempt Next Fix, it then resets your IP configuration, and it releases, and the next thing that you're going to do is release your IP address. When you click on that, it releases and renews your IP address, so that might fix your internet as well. When you click again, it sets your DNS to Google so that it will be much faster internet. If you're experiencing slow internet, this can definitely help. And all the fixes are attempted once you've clicked the 5 times on this app. Very simple, easy, user-friendly. And if you're worried, you can always click on the revert to original DNS. And that way you can revert everything you've done back to square one. If it didn't work, it didn't help you, just revert to original DNS settings. But this, I had problems with my internet. Even though I'm using really fast internet, my internet was sluggish on one specific computer. After trying this app, it literally solved my problem. That's why I've decided to make a video on it. It's called NetFix, not Netflix, but NetFix. The only way you can find it really is by clicking on the link in the description, because it doesn't have a website of their own. It's very new. It's not popular, but it's definitely worth the $8 or whatever it costs at the time that you're watching this. And you will definitely get your money's worth if you have problems with your slow internet on one specific computer. This will solve your problem. As long as the problem is your computer, NetFix will fix your internet speeds immediately.